Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of force and motion. Forces are what make objects move. There are different kinds of forces that act on objects, causing them to be in motion. When a toy car rolls down a ramp, it is pushed by a force called gravity. Another force that can set things in motion is a force called a kick. When you kick a ball, it starts moving because of the force applied to it. Air can also exert a force on objects. When a fan blows air, it pushes against objects like a piece of paper, making it move. Rockets are propelled into the sky by a powerful force called thrust. The burning fuel creates a force that pushes the rocket upward. In water, a sailboat uses the force of the wind to move. The wind fills the sails, creating a force that propels the boat forward. Even gases can create forces. When you blow air into a balloon and let it go, the escaping air pushes against the balloon, causing it to fly around the room. Forces are all around us, shaping the way objects move. By understanding force and motion, we can explore the fascinating world of how things work. To learn more about force and motion, and to stay updated on our latest videos, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for joining us on this exciting learning adventure. Click the link in the description to play the game related to forces and motion. See you again.